how to find direct messages settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find direct messages settings on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and now click privacy and scroll down. Here you will find direct messages. Click on it, and as you see here you will find direct messages settings, and that's it. And you can manage here until you want, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.